Today we want to combine all values from the same group, in our case same publisher, into one cell. So we want reverse operation than in previous video. So from this table we want to get this table, and we can do it with Power Query. So we have a table, then we are going to Data tab, and from table range, so we are importing data to Power Query, and we have our two columns in our example. So we want to group, firstly we want to group our publisher. So we are selecting publisher, and then on home tab we are looking for group by command, and we are grouping by publisher column, and we want new aggregation, and operation we need is selecting all rows, and we call this series column, this new series column. And because we choose all rows, we don't have to choose anything, we can't even choose anything in this last column, so just write OK. And now we have group publishers, and in the cell here we have all values, all rows from previous step, so all Marvel's rows, and those rows, this table is now in this single cell. But we don't really need a whole table, all columns, we need just one column. We don't need publisher column, so we want just series column, and we can do it by modifying M code. And to do it, we should have on the view tab checked formula bar. When we have this formula bar, we can see the functions, the code for this step, in our case grouped rows step. And in this step we don't want for each row choose underscore, because it means all rows, we need one column, so we want here column series. Okay, and now the type of this column isn't a table, so we should delete this and write type as list with small lowercase l, and now it should be okay. So now we have just list, the series column from previous step, so just series column, but for example just for Marvel Comics. And now because let me show, because Power Query is showing us this is treated as list, we can now expand this, extract those values from the single list, extract by combining them using delimiter. And in our case we want to use custom delimiter because we want two signs. Let's say it's a comma and a space. And now we can press OK, and now it should be everything as we wanted. So now we combine all series name into one cell for each and every publisher. And now we can go to home tab and close and load to Excel. So we are putting our result into existing worksheet D1 cell. Just press OK and wait for a minute, and we have combined all values within group.